सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 9, verse number 6. यथाकाशस्थितो नित्यम् वायुः सर्वत्र गोमहान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मत्स्थानीत्युपधारय। Lord Krishna revealing the higher nature of Ishvara, or we can say Lord Krishna revealing his own higher nature. Higher nature is called Para-Prakriti. Para-Prakriti is called higher nature. When we say there is higher nature, indirectly we are having that second idea, there is lower nature. When there is lower nature only, we have to think about higher nature. அது கூறாமல் கூறி என்று சொல்லுவாமே தமிழ்ல, அது மாதிரி கூறாமல் கூறி. Higher nature of Ishvara means what? There is a lower nature also. When higher nature is Para-Prakriti, lower nature is what? Apara-Prakriti. Na para, apara. Prakriti means nature. Higher nature of Ishvara, lower nature of Ishvara. Knowing this higher nature of Ishvara is called Raja Vidya. Knowing this higher nature of Ishvara alone is called Raja Vidya. Once this higher nature is Raja Vidya, lower nature knowledge must be what? Not Raja Vidya anartham. Abdani. What is opposite to Raja? Dasa. That's why all bhaktas are dasas. Those who are all worshipping the lower nature of Ishvara, what are they? Dasas. Servants. Sevakaha. So therefore, be as a dasa first. Nothing wrong. Worship the Lord. Be as a servant. Sevakaha. Then you have to uplift yourself to the Raja status. How that status comes? Not by keeping kiridam, not by sitting on simhasanam. That kingly status can come only by owning up your higher nature. To know my higher nature, first I should know the Ishvara's higher nature. Ishvara's higher nature I have to know. Then I have to claim that Ishvara's higher nature is my higher nature. Jivatma eva Paramatma. This jnanam. Aikya jnanam. That Aikya Jnanam or identification with that Paramatma while living is called Jivan Mukti. This is called Raja Vidya. So therefore, keeping this in his mind, Lord Krishna says to Arjuna, Hey Arjuna, understand me as the Jagat Adhishtanam. I am the substratum of this whole universe. I am all pervading. Since I am all pervading, once the higher nature, Ishvara, must be all pervading, then only he can be called as Bhagavan. Therefore, he is called Vishnu. Sarvam Veveshti iti Vishnu, the one who is Vyapakaha, all pervading, Sarvagataha. You can say Sarvagataha, you can say Neelam, all pervading. In this itself, some podi irukku. And the all pervading la enna podi irukena, all pervading also. Tamil all. Chinna logic, chinna sense here, okay? Common sense. Ingu periya PhD padikka vendiya thevai illa. When Lord is all pervading, he must be all pervading also. Therefore, perum all. Our perum all nana chinna all. The chinna vishyam, the Shastra reveals beautifully. But Swamini, when you are talking chinna vishyanda, but why all people are not able to know this perum all who is all pervading? That is the problem. There is a lot of obstacles obstructing the person in not knowing this truth. What is that karanam? Prakriti. Lord Krishna says in these slokas, I am in all beings, but they are not in me. This statement is very, very mind-boggling statement. I am in all beings is as good as they are all in me. Appadithane sollanum. Then why Bhagavan says like this? For this we have done a lot of analysis in the last class. The goal is saying, I am in all the ornaments. I am in all ornaments. What are they? Bangle, chain, ring, all ornaments are pervaded by me alone, the gold. I am in all ornaments, but all ornaments are not in me. Ring is not in chain, chain is not in the bangle, bangle is not in the ring, chain is not in the ring, bangle is not in the chain. Correct தானே? அப்ப gold claim பண்ணாமா இல்லையா? I am in all the ornaments, but each ornament is exclusive. That means, this is first point. I am in them. All the Nama Rupas are exclusive. One Nama Rupa is not in the other Nama Rupa. Nama Rupa means what? Namam or Rupa and Cholladungo. Nama Rupa means name. Nama means name. Rupa means form. All the objects what we are seeing in the world are nothing but what? Name and form. Including this body. Beautiful body. So beautiful body we are thinking. What is this? Nothing but Namam Rupam. That's why identity card. Nama and Rupa. That's a photo, form. Nama Rupa. Kila per irukkum, mela photo irukkum. Nanda. Nama Rupa. So one Nama Rupa is not there in other Nama Rupa. This name is different, that name is different. This name is different, her name is different. Forms are also different. So, one nama is not in the other nama, one form is not in the other form. But in all forms, who is there? Chaitanya Atma, consciousness is there. So that Atma Chaitanyam, Brahma Swarupam is all pervading in every Nama Rupa. Behind every Nama Rupa, what is Adhishtanam is Brahman. Okay? So I am in all the Nama Rupa. So gold is saying I am in all the ornaments. Now say Darshtanta, I the Atma Swarupam is in all the names and forms. Next statement is what? I am in them. Masthani sarva bhutani. All ornaments are in me. Gold saying. அப்பப்போ கோல்டு சொல்லிண்டே சொல்லுவேன். ஏன்னா நீங்கள் அதர்வைஸ் யூ வில் ஃபர்கெட். கோல்டு விட மாட்டேன். ஓகே. ஐ ஆம் இன் ஆல் ஆஃப் தெம். ஸோ பிரம்ம சைத்தன்யம், கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா சேஸ், as a consciousness existent principle, I am in all Namarupa beings. இங்க செயின் கோல்டு ரிங்கு சொல்லக்கூடாது. We are all like one chain ring bangle மாதிரி. ஓகே, ஒரு செயின், ஒரு பேங்கிள், ஒரு ரிங்கு, all ornaments like we are. Each body, all species. What Krishna Paramatma says, as consciousness existent principle, I am in all the names and forms. But at the same time, all the names and forms are not in me. In me means which me? OC. OC means what? Original consciousness, Brahma Chaitanya. Nacha masthani bhutani. All these names and forms are not in me. புரியுறதோ? இது மேல ஈஸியா சொல்ல முடியாது. I am helpless. Last class, this is revision. Masthani sarvabhutani nacha masthani bharata. Then what he said? Bhuta bhrunnacha bhutasthaha. They are all created by me. They are all sustained by me. They all merge into me. Tajjam tallam tadanam. ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ? Tajjalan. That means gold says all ornaments born out of me. All the ornaments are sustained by me. All ornaments, when they melt, merge into gold, into me. Correct? In this any doubt? No. Then extend this to Dashtanta. Lord Krishna says, I the Atma Chaitanyam, Brahma Chaitanyam, consciousness existent principle is pervading in all the beings. They are all born out of me. Mayeva sakalam jatam. First statement. They are all born out of me. Second statement. When they are born out of me, they have to sustain by me only. Because of me only. If you take out the gold, ornament can sustain. Take out the gold from chain. Can chain exist? So chain to be chain, who is that substratum? Gold. Similarly, all these beings, bodies and names are sustained by me. If I am not there, they are not there. So when they disappear, name and form disappear, where they are merging? Into whom? Into me. Therefore, Arjuna, they are all born out of me, they are all sustained by me, they are all going to merge into me. So, consciousness existent principle. Here, Ishvara Swarupam, one is Avyaktaha. My Swarupam is Avyaktam. Lord Krishna says, I am invisible. Consciousness existent principle, in Sanskrit, existence is called Sat. Consciousness is called Chit. Sat, Chit. By themselves, both of them are invisible. Avyaktam. It is not visible. Easiness you cannot see without object. Similarly, consciousness you cannot see without any name and form. That easiness always go along with one object or the other. And consciousness is also can manifest only with one object or other. Therefore, that easiness we have to find out. We have to extract from every nama, rupa. This is the toughest task. You require very, very subtle mind, intellect. Sukshmam, buddhi venum. So, easiness is the substratum. Desk is, mic is, gold is, pot is. Pot is. If pot is not there, nothing is there. Nothing is there, we say. For that, Lord Krishna says, next 6th shloka, even though I am avyaktam, invisible, in every form, every name, you recognize me. You recognize me. Just as the plug point, you recognize what? Not Satyachit, electricity. We'll go up later, Satyachit. Now, a plug point is the recognizing point where electricity you identify, recognize. Similarly, this body is a recognizable point. To whom? Not electricity. Sat, Chit. This is a recognizable plug point. Every species, every being in this creation is a recognizable point to Sat and Chit. Existence and consciousness. Everything. There is no place where there is no easiness. That easiness is called existence. Irupudal. Irupudal. Irukka nu solrom. How is it there now? Lord Krishna says, Jagat viparivartate yatha. Sorry. 6th shloka yatha akashasthitaha nityam vayuhu. Yatha vayuhu akashasthitaha. Just as the vayu is there in the space, wind is there in the space, pervading in the whole space. Similarly, sarvatragaha vayuhu tatha, in the same manner. Sarvani bhutani masthani. So you have to compare the Atma with Akasha. And Vayu is pervading throughout the whole Akasha, the space. Similarly, the whole consciousness is everywhere, and these beings are pervading in the whole consciousness. Generally, what people say, I am a human being with consciousness. எனக்குள்ள ஆத்மா இருக்கு ன்னு சொல்றோம். What do we say? We are not Nastikas, we are Astikas. What this we say? இப்போ கொஞ்சம் philosopher, கொஞ்சம் educated person, I am having consciousness. கொஞ்சம் improved. அது uneducated, illiterate person, கடவுள் இருக்கார். கடவுள் இருக்கார். Or I have consciousness. I am a human being, I have consciousness. Shastra says, this statement, I don't say it is totally wrong. Totally not wrong and anartham. Half wrong and anartham. It is not totally wrong, but you just refine this answer. Then after coming to Bhagavad Gita class a long time, the student understand, no, I am the conscious being, entity with incidental human form. I am the consciousness with a human body which is incidental. Incidental தானே, பர்மனெண்ட் இல்லையோ, டெம்பரரி. இப்படி சொல்லணும். I am Chaitanyam Brahma available in this body for a period of time. If body is not there, this body one day or other, it has to perish. What will happen to me, the consciousness? I may not manifest, but I exist. I may not manifest, but I exist. But this existent I cannot be transactable. This cannot be transactable. If pot is there, what you say? Pot is in the space. Pot is in the space. First what do you say? Space is in the pot. Kadavul சொன்ன மாதிரி. Space is in the pot. This is also right, but not totally right. What do you have to say? All pots are in the space. இப்படி சொல்லணும். Once this pot, you break the pot, what will happen to the space? Exist. But it is not useful for as a container. It cannot contain anything. It cannot hold anything. Similarly, this consciousness, existent principle also not available for transaction. It survives after the fall of the body, but that consciousness is not transactable. The unmanifestation of consciousness, existent principles, is not the absence of consciousness. புரியுறதா? Therefore, when you say there is nothing means there is something. There is nothing when you say there is something. And then next I will explain you. Okay. So, tadha sarvani bhutani masthani upadharaya. Upadharaya means may you understand, Arjuna, they are all in me in the same manner. Previous sloka what he said? They are all not in me. Nacha masthani. இப்ப என்ன சொல்றாரு? அவருக்கு நாக்கு கூட கொஞ்சம் கூட பகவானுக்கு என்ன இப்படி சொல்லாம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா அப்படி சொல்லி ஃபிஃப்த் ஸ்லோகா he said, fourth sloka masthani sarvabhutani, fourth sloka second line. Okay, fifth sloka first line nacha masthani bhutani. Again sixth sloka masthani iti upadharaya. Krishna is confused, Swamini. Thonu namakku. These three statements you note down. எப்போ கரெக்டாக டைம் வருமா, we have to attack Lord Krishna. ஆமா, நீ சொன்னது எனக்கு புரியலையா, இல்லை நீ தப்பு சொல்றியா? ஆமா, we have to demand the Lord. Just like that we should not nod the head, therefore he is Krishna Bhagavan. My intellect cannot accept. Therefore note these fourth shloka, fifth shloka, sixth shloka. Why this contradiction statements? It appears as though contradictory, but there is no contradiction. You have to understand properly. A beautiful topic. Next shloka we will read. That's what he is going to clarify. That contradictions, seeming contradictions and all, he is going to clarify in further shlokas up to 10th shloka. Okay. The whole teaching will be over from 4th shloka to 10th shloka. அப்புறம் கிளாஸுக்கு வர வேண்டாமான்னு கேட்காதுங்க, கிளாஸுக்கு வரணும். வில் ரீட் 7th ஸ்லோகா. सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं यान्ति मामिकाम् कल्पक्षये पुनस्तानि कल्पादौ विसृजाम्यहम्. Now he is explaining as I am the Jagat Karanam. Until now, what are the futures we have seen? Just note. I am Sarvagataha, Yadha Vayuhu, Yadha Akashaha, pervading, all pervading. Similarly, I am Sarvagataha. Second. First one, what I said? Avyaktaha. I am not perceptible. I am not visible to these fleshy eyes. I am Avyaktaha. And Sarvagataha, number 2. Number 3, Adhishtanam. I am the substratum. I am the source. That means I am Swatantraha ityarthaha. Without whom the whole Jagat cannot exist. Therefore, I am the Sarvadharam. Shantakaram Bhujagasayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam. The Vishwadharam, the Sarvadharam. That is 3. Number 4 is Paraha. I am beyond Masthani. Sarvabhutani means I am Sarvagataha. Nacha Masthani Bharata means I am beyond all this Namarupa. Paraha, I am beyond. Beyond and சொன்ன உடனே இப்படி எட்டு பார்ப்போம் நாம மேல இருக்காருன்னு. Paraha means it is not physically away. He is not physically away. You have to understand. This is called, Pujya Swamiji says, Dayananda Swamiji, a cognitive change. Beautiful word Swamiji used. Cognitive change. Change should come here, not outside. Amazing, no? This statement. Cognitive change. Then that is called Paraha. Then Asangaha. I am not tainted by anything. I am not afflicted by anything. I am Masilamani anu solluvan illaya. Masilamani enna theriyuma? Masi enna, that which is Masi pure. Masi illada mani enna ardham. Masi enna masi impurity. Okay. Masi illada illamal irukra crystal ardham. That crystal which is pure, that which is free from impurity. That's why Paramatma is ever pure, Shuddhaha. Shuddhaha, that existent consciousness is ever pure, Shuddhaha. Now, in these 7th and 8th shlokas, Lord Krishna giving the 6th future and 7th future. Okay, 6th future in 2 shlokas. Jagat Karanam. I am the cause of this creation. I am the cause of this creation. See, all our pujas, to make meaningful, this knowledge is must. Ardhavantam, prayojanam, meaningful. My worship, my devotion, my puja, my reverence towards God are all meaningful, purposeful when I understand this higher nature. Otherwise, they are all going to be meaningless. You want to continue in meaningless worship? You want to continue in purposeless worship? No devotee is interested. If you are real devotee, what to do? Let my worship be meaningful. So, how it can be meaningful? Study 9th chapter. The Masilamani, So Bhagavan says here, Sarva Bhutani Prakritim Mamikam Prakritim Yanti. He Kaunteya, he Arjuna, Mamikam Yanti means they resolve into me. In the previous shloka, they born out of me. He said, Bhuta Bhrinnacha Bhutastaha Mamatma Bhuta Bhavanaha, he said. Bhuta Bhavanaha means what? They are all born out of me. Bhutastaha means they are all sustained by me. Then what? What next? Srishti Sthiti Laya. They all resolve into me. Ada. Yanti means resolve, dissolution, laya. When kalpakshaye, when the kalpam, at the end of the cycle, kalpa means what? A long duration of time is called kalpa. A long duration means how long? 1000 Chaturyugas. 1000 Chaturyugas is 1 day of Brahmaji. Calculation, Maraklayilyo, where we saw? Previous chapter, 8th chapter we saw 1000 Chaturyugas is 1 day for Brahmaji. And the Kalpa Srishti, Kalpam Srishti take place. When he goes to sleep, how many days again? How many hours? Hours are 1000 Chaturyugas. He sleeps. Adennamo anda thookam. Anda alavukku thookam. It is called pralaya. Pralaya. If we sleep 6 hours, 7 hours, so 12 hours, 12 hours we have to wake up. No? But what we are doing? 6 hours தூக்கம் வரமாட்டேங்கிறது சுவாமினி. 12 hours எங்கே தூங்க போகிறோம்? 12 hours, 24 hours. If you sleep 12 hours, wake up 12 hours. So you are in Jagrata Avastha 12 hours. Suppose, imagine, okay, 12 hours you sleep. 12, okay. When you wake up 12 hours, the whole Jagat is in front of you. Right? When you go to sleep, what happened to this Jagat? What a wonder. Laya. Similarly, when Brahmaji sleeps, 1000 Chaturyugas he wake up. When 1000 Chaturyugas he wakes up, the whole Srishti you can see. When Brahmaji also tired after doing lot of Srishti, Gandhara Golam, whole chaos after seeing our tiredness one day. 1000 Chaturyugas, not 1000 years. 1000 Chatur Yuga. One Yuga, you calculate so many years. Then, one Chatur Yuga and 4 Chatur Yugas. He sleeps. That is what? Kalpakshayam. Here the kalpa enna long duration. What calculation you can do? But our ancestors, rishis, calculate. Numbers they give. I have given in the previous chapters. Okay? So that is called Kalpakshaya. Sarva Bhutani Mamikam Prakritim Yanti. They merge into my Prakriti, Maya. Apara Prakriti, my lower nature. Kalpakshaya means you can take it as Samashti Prarabdha Karma Shaye Anartham. Samasti Prarabdham. Ellaruடைய பிராரப்தம் சமாப்தம் ஆயின உடனே என்ன ஆகும்? கல்பக்ஷயம் ஆயிடும். This Srishti will go into Pralayam. Pralayam. So therefore, in deep sleep, our prarabdha will not exhaust. When Samashti Prarabdha is over, there is no prarabdha further to exhaust. என்ன பண்ணுவார் பகவான்? நான் ரெஸ்ட் எடுத்துட்டு வரேன், அப்புறம் உங்க பிராரப்தம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனப்ப சிருஷ்டி பண்றேன். புரியுறதோ? Just as when we wake up, our prarabdha start fructifying. When we wake up, இப்ப பிராரப்தம் fructifying. தோம கடிச்சா பேட் பிராரப்த, பேட் பிராரப்த. If I understand class nicely, punya prarabdha. I hope so. Punya prarabdha. So I am exhausting my prarabdha. In deep sleep, what prarabdha is exhausted? I do not know. No action. Mind is not also functioning. Everything dissolved. Therefore, prarabdha is not functioning. That is called laya. Similarly, samashti, total, all beings, when their prarabdha is exhausted, Brahmaji go to sleep. When again samashti prarabdha has to begin, ஒரு பெரிய ஆனிங் அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டு he will wake up now. Wake up பண்ணி உன்மேஷ நிமிஷோத்பன்னா விபன்ன புவனாவளி. இவர் யாரு மரிடல? லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமன்ல லலிதா அம்பாள் கண்ணு திறந்த உடனே whole jagat has come into existence. அந்த அம்மா கண்ணு மூடின உடனே நிமிஷம் உன்மேஷம் உன்மேஷ நிமிஷோத்பன்ன, அப்படி மூடின உடனே என்னாச்சு? லயா. அது படிச்சு இது படிக்கணும், அல்ல இது படிச்சு அது படிக்கணுமா தெரியல. தட் இஸ் தட். Brahmaji opened his eyes. When he closed, kalpakshaye bhutani mam prakritim mamikam prakritim. That means trigunatmikam aparam prakritim maya. Then what? Next cycle. Punaha. Again. Kalpadau. At the beginning of next creation, kalpa adau aham tani visrijami. Again I create them. I create those beings. I create them. Samashti karma kshayam is called kalpakshayam. Samashti karma Arabdham, prarabdham, when it is starting, it is called kalpa visrijami. That's called creation. See, when you open the umbrella, you close the umbrella. Expansion, contraction. Therefore, there is no new creation. Only Bhagavan creation is nothing like you are opening the umbrella, no? Like that he opens. When you close the umbrella, like that Bhagavan closed the whole creation. In the Pandi Bazarla, Rangana Street, umbrella pathalo, umbrella in the pakam thiruppe, he keeps a lot of bindis, hair bands, and lamepa. Evening time, what he does? Whole umbrella he closes and go away. Enna achinu enga pochu ellame na packed. அது மாதிரி பகவான் டூயிங் திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் ஜாப். என்ன பண்ணும்? மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன் அண்ட் அன்மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன். கல்பம் சிருஷ்டி இஸ் கால்ட் அகெயின் மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன், த சேம் சிருஷ்டி அகெயின் அன்மேனிஃபெஸ்டேஷன். வியக்தம் அவ்யக்தம், வியக்தம் அவ்யக்தம், இதேதான். No one can create anything newly. No jiva is created. No matter can be created even by Bhagavan. இருக்கிறது தான் மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் பண்ணுவார், இருக்கிறது தான் திருப்பி அன்மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் போயிடும். பொட்டென்ஷியல் goes into unmanifest form, again manifest, unmanifest. Avyaktaad vyaktayas sarvaha prabhavantyah ragame ratyagame praliyante tatraiva vyakta sanyake. Enga previous chapter Swamini last week class previous chapter. You remember, I know, I don't want to insult you. Let us read that 8th shloka. See, what is this Mamikam Prakritim? What type of Prakriti is this? What type of Apara Prakriti is this? What is the nature of this Prakriti? He says in this 8th sloka, Prakritim swamavashtabhyam Visrujami punah punaha Bhutagramamimam Krishnam Avasham Prakritervashat. So whatever is undergoing a change, modification is taking place, understand that is Prakriti. Whatever is not changing, understand that is Brahman. Energy, matter. Energy, when it manifests, energy in motion is called matter. Matter which is in not motion is called energy. Scientist language. Energy, matter. Matter, energy. So matter is nothing but manifested energy. Energy is nothing but unmanifested matter. Swamini science பத்தி எப்படி பேச முடியும்? Scientist யாராவது இருந்தா கொஞ்சம். This is what Shastra says. Scientist says in that manner. Matter is nothing but which is undergoing a change. The whole Jagat is matter. Whatever you are seeing with your eyes, that is called matter. That matter alone we call it as Maya, Prakriti. How I create this universe? Lord Krishna says, Swam Prakritim Avashtabhya, resorting to my Prakriti. I take the help of Prakriti. My Prakriti means which is depending upon me. My Prakriti means here, that Prakriti which is subservient to me, it is my Vibhuti. It is my Vibhuti, my power, Shakti. My power or my Shakti, with that Shakti I create. Once I take the help of this Maya, I, the consciousness existent principle, get the new name. What? Married Brahman is Ishvara. Married to whom? Maya, Mrs. Maya is Mrs. That is why this is picturized. This is picturized beautifully. Consciousness existent principle plus Brahmaji Nama Rupa plus Saraswati Maya. Srishti. எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சின விஷயம் தான் சொல்றேன், புதுசா ஒன்றும் சொல்லலை. Consciousness existent principle plus Nama Rupa Brahmaji. Brahmaji with Shakti Saraswati, Maya Shakti creates this whole universe. Number 1, first statement. Number 2, this is called generator. Okay, Brahmaji is generator. God and பேர் எப்படி வந்தது தெரியுமோ? அதுக்கு தான் இந்த லிஸ்ட். Okay, number 2, second, existent consciousness principle. Sat Chit plus Vishnu Nama Rupa. Vishnu Nama Rupa plus, you can fill up Lakshmi. Lakshmi Maya Shakti is the sustainer, operator, G-O. Fill up. Third na cholla vendi avashyame illiye. Full marks to you only. What is the third one? Sat Chit, existence, consciousness principle plus Shiva Nama Rupa plus Parvati or Durga, Laya Karta, Srishti, Sthiti, Laya Karta. This Brahmaji Nama, Saraswati Nama Rupa are Prakriti ki Sambandham. And Vishnu Nama Rupam and Lakshmi, whole thing is Apara Prakriti, Maya. And Shiva Nama Rupa plus Parvati, whole thing is Maya, this Nama Rupa. What is there behind this? Sat Chit. This is substratum. These are all depending upon the Sat Chit. Therefore, with Maya Shakti, I create. When I am creating with Maya Shakti, I am Brahmaji. When I am sustaining with the help of Lakshmi, I am Vishnu. When I am taking into me resolution time with the help of Parvati, I am Shiva. Who am I? Who am I? I am neither Brahma, I am neither nor Vishnu nor Shiva. I am Sat Chit Ananda Brahma Swarupam. What about these names? They're all my Leela. எவ்வளவு அழகா இருக்கு சுவாமினி. பகவான் இதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியுமா? ஏன் பண்ண முடியாது? What we are doing? Ordinary human beings, we are creating our dream or not? All our dreams are created by me only. My dream, I am the creator. Now also dream is there in you. Which form? In Vasana Rupena. It is in potential form. When you provide an ideal condition, bed potti. Just for asset class சில பேருக்கு வரலாம். So when I just lie down, this is called ideal condition I provide. I the waker become the dreamer, then I create what? So many names, so many forms, everything come to manifestation. Again, when I wake up, all the dreams goes into whom? I am the Swapna Karta, I am the Swapna Srishti Karta, Sthiti Karta and Laya Karta. Nanu Pandinde Rikke Srishti Sthiti Laya. Illiyo? Ennude Swapna வந்து பொய் சுவாமினி, சிருஷ்டி உண்மைதானே? Shastra says, no. There is no difference between your Swapna and Brahmaji's creation. Brahmaji's whole creation is Swapnam. Of course, for a Jnani also. For a Jnani is also. For a waker in the Swapna eppadi poyo, created by me, sustained by me, resolved into me. Without the waker, dream can exist. Without the waker, dream can born or exist, or it cannot merge into anything without the waker. Really speaking, dreamer is nothing but waker. The waker's power of dreaming capacity. I have a capacity to dreamt. No, I can create dream. Similarly, my original nature is not this Jagradavastha, waker, body, mind complex. I, the consciousness, existent principle, can create this Jagat. Hey Arjuna, I, the Sat-Chit Brahma Swarupam, is the creator of this universe, Swapna Jagat. I, the Sat-Chit, is the Sthitikarta of this Jagat. I, the Sat-Chit Brahman, is the Layakarta of this Jagat. Then when you create all these things, you don't get any punya papa. Lord says, no. He says, Bhuta Gramam imam Krishnam avasham prakriter vashat. All these names and forms, all these beings are under the spell of Prakriti. Prakritehe vashat. They are all slaves to the Prakriti. But I am not. Imam bhutam gramam means all these beings. Gramam means group, samuham. All these beings are under the spell of Prakriti, but I am not affected by the Prakriti. Because Prakriti is under my control. But beings are under the Prakriti control. All Ajnanis are under Prakriti control. All Jnanis are beyond Prakriti. Therefore, that Prakriti cannot cause any affliction to this Atmaswarupam. The Jnani is one who recognizes this Atmaswarupam. What? This Nama Rupa he knows as Nama Rupa. My real nature is Sat Chit. Without which this cannot exist. But Ajnani take this as real. What? Apara Prakriti, lower nature, lower order of reality. Vyavaharika Satyam he takes as real. But he cannot know the Paramarthika, higher order, absolute reality as his or her real nature. When they know, when they attend Bhagavad Gita class, they can know. If they do not know, all the Prakriti problems will affect them. If they know, there is no sorrow. If they do not know, there is a struggle. If I know my real nature, I am consciousness principle, I am free from sorrow. If I identify myself with the Nama Rupa, that chain says, I am small chain, minor chain, and the manga chain is Perisu chain. I am smaller one. Small wave is worrying about seeing another wave. The small pot is worrying about the big pot. Big pot is worrying about another big pot. They are all worried. Similarly, we the human beings as Nama, Rupa always have limitation. Parichinnam, finite. Because we take this Nama, Rupa as real. My Chittappa, my Periyappa, my brother-in-law, my daughter-in-law, my son-in-law, all problems. ஒரே ப்ராப்ளம் சுவாமினி வீட்டில். யாருக்கு? யார் வீட்டில்? என்ன கதை இது? என்ன? I will ask you. Krishna says in the next shloka, you see, I am free from this Prakriti. How is it possible now? He says, look into the 9th shloka. Na cha mam tani bhu karmani nibaddhanti dhananjaya udasinavadasinam asaktam teshu karmasu. See, when we do some srishti, some creation, we are facing lot of problems. One daughter, one son, what problems facing. இப்போ பகவான் இஸ் மகா சம்சாரி. நமக்கு சின்ன சம்சாரம், நமக்கு சின்ன ப்ராப்ளம். அவர் இவ்வளவு பெரிய சிருஷ்டி பண்ணும்போது அவர் மகா சம்சாரியா இருக்கணுமே, எப்பவுமே அமிர்தாஞ்சன் அப்ளை பண்ணின்னே இருக்கணுமே, எப்பவுமே அமிர்தாஞ்சன் அப்ளை பண்ணின்னே இருக்கணுமே, ஏதாவது பாப்போம் காஃபி குடிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும் தலைவலி வந்தப்பன்னா. அப்படி ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஐ ஆம் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் ஆல் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். Just as you, the waker, create a dream, suppose you are running for the train in the dream and you miss the train. Imagine. Suppose you are swimming and the waves are coming. You are struggling in the dream. Will it affect the waker? Tell me. So many pains I am undergoing in the dream, and sometimes you cry also in the dream. Is this waker who created the dream, is going to affect by the dream? Dream lo rain vandachu, no? Lot of rain, heavy rain, cyclone rain, storm. Full body wet, no? Is anything happened to this waker? Ayyo, water, full body wet, and he feels like that. Why? Ivardane create pannadi. Have you thought of this? So, the waker is untouched by the dream problems. The waker is unafflicted, untainted by the dream struggles. How? Similarly, Bhagavan says, Nachamam tani karmani. Karmani means this type of creating the whole creation, this karma, na nivadhananti. They will not bind me. They will not control me. Why? Udasinavat. I just remain as unafflicted. I will not touch by them. The Prakriter Vashatake, Ramaraya Kavi gives a beautiful example. Andhre, he writes there, in Andhra Bhasha, that is called Gavapurugu. Gavapurugu and a silk worm, worm, it makes web on its whole body. That's ulla poi ukkaram. And the ulla poi ukkaram the velila eppadi varanumnu theriyadu. Adu enna agum? Dies inside. All the jivas are like this ajnani jivas who are all not studying Bhagavad Gita, not understanding. They are all like Gavapurugu. Like these worms, they made that web and they sit inside. This caterpillar, have you seen? It goes inside. But caterpillar, beautifully, it becomes butterfly. Celeb worms, they go inside and they die. They cannot come out. That is called Prakrite Vashatana. Whereas some jnanis are not Gavapurugu. They are out of this. That's a jump out of this cycle, cosmic cycle. You are a jnani. How to jump? Don't jump, okay, really. This time I am telling. Therefore, the dream is not afflicting me. I am the waker. Dream is a different order of reality. I, the waker, is different order of reality. I am Vyavaharika Satyam. Dream is Pratibhasika Satyam. In English, it is projected reality. The waker is relative reality. Relative reality cannot be disturbed by the projected reality. It is lesser order of reality. Waker is little higher order of reality. Adi eppadiyo. Similarly, whole Jagat, not whatever you are seeing is Vyavaharika Satyam. Lord Krishna is talking from the Paramarthika Satyam, absolute reality. From the absolute reality, this whole Jagat Vyavaharika Satyam is lesser order of reality. உனக்கு எப்படி ப்ரொஜெக்டட் ட்ரீம் பிராதிபாசிக சத்தியமோ பொய்யோ வேக்கருக்கு, அதே மாதிரி ஞானிக்கு ஆர் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம், the one who recognizes the Atma Satchit Ananda Swarupam as himself or herself, for such a person, for any jnani for that matter, the whole world is like a dream. It's a dream. So what? Elevate yourself from relative reality to absolute reality. Apara prakriti to para prakriti. Therefore what? Next class, continue. Thodarum. Lord Krishna says, Udasinavat asaktam teshu karmasu. Those karmas will not bind me. This srishti is my Leela. I am not affected by swapna. Similarly, whole Jagat is what? Another big swapna of గాడ్. ఓకే, ఈశ్వర ఆర్ ఆత్మ బ్రహ్మ చైతన్యుడ స్వప్నం ద జగత్. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಪ್ನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಸ್ವಪ್ನ. ఓకే, టుడే నైట్ గో అండ్ హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ స్వప్నమ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. పూర్ణమదః పూర్ణమిదం పూర్ణాత్ పూర్ణముదచ్యతే పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. హరి ఓం. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం.